If your dad already owns every obvious tool gift, good, because none of these are obvious. I found 8 tools built for 8 very different kind of dads. Dads who build, organize, clean, fix, and the ones that refuse to give up their extension cords. Some are brand new, some solve oddly specific problems, and one can completely change the way dad works with wood. And this year, 2 lucky dads could get 2 of the most surprising tools completely free. Because I partnered with Fanttik to give away this compact pocket reciprocating saw and the NB10 Nano portable pressure washer to 2 lucky dads. So stick around because I'll be sharing how to enter the contest in just a few minutes. But first, let's figure out which kind of dad each tool is actually for, where each one falls short, and which tool I'd choose if I could give him only one. And for the dads out there grabbing a handsaw for one tiny cut because bringing out a reciprocating saw feels a little ridiculous, this might be the perfect middle ground. The Fanttik R11 Pro is a compact cordless reciprocating saw with a 160 watt brushless motor, stepless speed control from 0 to 2200 strokes per minute, electronic safety lock, tool-free blade changes, and USB-C charging. Fanttik also gives it a digital display for battery level and speed information. Its real advantage isn't that it replaces a full-size demolition saw, it's that it's small enough to remain close by for jobs that normally require more setup than actual cutting. It makes sense for trimming PVC, cutting dowels, shortening light metal, or reaching into places where a reciprocating saw becomes mostly battery and handle. At roughly 9 inches long, the narrow body gives you one-handed control in spaces where the larger saw simply becomes awkward. But this is where expectations matter. It can work through thicker material, but this is a quick-cut convenience saw, not a miniature demolition monster. For dads that camp, garden, or handle homeowner repairs, or simply love compact tools they haven't seen before, this one has one of the highest wow factors in the video, and one lucky dad is gonna get this exact saw for free. But for dads that are constantly cleaning muddy equipment without a hose nearby, the second Fanttik giveaway carries its own water. This is the Fanttik NB10 Nano. Unlike a bare cordless wash gun, its water supply, battery, hose, controls, and sprayer storage are integrated into one portable unit. The Nano uses a detachable 2.1 gallon tank and stores the spray gun underneath the main body, so dad isn't juggling a separate bucket, sprayer, battery, or loose hose. Fanttik lists a 4000 milliamp hour battery, 2 spray modes, maximum pressure of 98 psi, an LED screen, USB-C charging, and up to 60 minutes of continuous battery endurance. The longer hose allows the tank to remain planted while you work around a bike, mower, grill, patio chair, or campsite, instead of constantly lifting and repositioning the whole system. Rotating the nozzle changes the spray pattern, letting you switch between a concentrated rinse and wider coverage. And this distinction matters. It's a portable rinse station, not a conventional pressure washer designed to strip concrete or remove old paint. And for dads that camp, cycle, grill, work in the yard, maintain a clean truck, or refuse to put dirty equipment back in the garage, portability may be far more useful than extreme pressure. The display keeps the battery status visible, while USB-C charging eliminates another proprietary charger. It even includes a built-in light, which sounds unnecessary in the workshop, but makes more sense at a campsite, tailgate, or even cookout. But for dads that don't have a hose nearby, the NB10 Nano is far more useful than a basic cordless wash gun. And Fanttik is giving one of these away to a second dad watching this video. And here's how to enter. One lucky dad's gonna win our Fanttik R11 Pro reciprocating saw. The other one's gonna win the Fanttik NB10 compact pressure washer. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and type the word DAD down in the comments. Winners will be chosen by random number generator and will be showcased in a YouTube short coming out in the next few days. A cup of coffee on a crowded workbench is either refreshing or one bad elbow away from becoming a woodworker's nightmare. And for dads that bring their coffee into the shop every morning, Milwaukee gave it a permanent parking spot. The PACKOUT twist-to-lock mount uses 3 fastener-ready mounting points and an impact-resistant body. It's designed to secure PACKOUT tumblers and bottles to a workbench or other surface. Once installed, the drink stays in one predictable location, but can still come free with a quick twist. And for dads that already own Milwaukee PACKOUT drinkware, this is a small gift that may get installed before Father's Day is even over. And if they have the PACKOUT tool caddy, it has 3 pre-notched holes set up to interface with the mount perfectly. So this gift stops one thing from moving. Our next one makes storage move in a direction that modular toolboxes should have been going a long time ago. Modular storage is fantastic until the exact organizer you need is supporting the rest of your storage system. And for dads that organize every bit, screw, anchor, and electrical connector, but hate dismantling the entire stack to get them, Ryobi finally created Side Exit. The Link SlotBox receiver mounts to compatible Link toolboxes and wall rails, while the organizers slide into the receiver and remain accessible from either side of the toolbox stack. This matters inside a truck, beside a wall, or in a tightly packed garage where one side may be completely blocked. The individual organizers use clear tops, included divider sets, impact-resistant construction, and an IP54 dust and water resistance rating. They also mount to any link wall rails when the job is finished. And for dads that already own the Ryobi link system, this might be one of the most immediately useful gifts right here. But outside of that system, most of the appeal disappears. Up until now, all of our tools have only done one job, but our next one is gonna do 3, and has one feature that dads may spend far too much time playing with. And for dads that are constantly pointing at something across the shop while holding a flashlight in their mouth, Klein combined a pocket flashlight, a green laser, and a LED floodlight into one compact tool. This is Klein's rechargeable slim profile pocket flashlight. The main beam has 3 brightness levels, 100 lumens for up to 8 hours, 200 lumens for up to 5 hours, and 400 lumens for up to 3 hours. And a separate turbo mode reaches 1000 lumens in 60-second intervals for quick inspections. The turbo mode is not intended as the normal continuous setting. It's the quick burst when you need to see deep into an attic, engine bay, crawl space, or dark corner. The underside floodlight spreads illumination across a wider area, which makes more sense inside a cabinet or underneath a hood than a concentrated forward beam. Green laser lets dad identify an object or exact location from across the room without climbing up, walking over, or describing it as that thing beside the other thing. Its slim profile is the real appeal. Rather than carrying a full flashlight, separate work light, and laser pointer, dad gets all 3 in the body designed for everyday pocket carry. Regular, turbo. So the obvious downside here is gonna be price. At around $60 at Lowe's at the time when I purchased this, if dad only needs a basic flashlight, and he's not gonna use the laser, the floodlight, or the main beam boost, I'd say skip it. But for dads that inspect equipment, work above ceilings, maintain vehicles and install things around the house, or simply love tools that do more than one job and fit in your pocket, then this may be the most giftable tool in the entire lineup. Because I mean, after all, who doesn't love a flashlight? Center pegboard hooks have one job, yet they always seem to come off the wall half the time when you're removing your tool. For dads that love pegboard but hate chasing storage hooks all over the floor, Talon hooks help lock storage to the board. Talon hooks are designed to engage adjacent pegboard holes. No installation tool is required. Pushing the integrated screw locks the hook into place while a common screwdriver releases it later. They can also mount upright, sideways, or upside down. They were primarily designed for standard 1/4 inch thick pegboard with 1/4 inch holes spaced 1 inch apart. They also require a 3/8 inch of clearance behind the board, so verify dad's setup first. But they work on my wall control setup perfectly. And for dads that spend just as much time improving the shop as they do working on it, these things can remove an awful lot of frustration. Best of all, made in the USA. And the next gift is for the exact opposite kind of dad. The one who refuses to change anything because corded tools have been working great for the past 30 years. So for dads out there who love woodworking but are still too stubborn to fully embrace the cordless world, this little guy might change their mind. Corded tools still have advantages, but during quick shop projects, cord setup and management can be a major pain. Kreg's Blue Ion batteries are made for its 20-volt ionic drive woodworking tools. The system includes a 4 LED charge indicator, heat management, overcharge protection, and protection against accidental impacts. But the battery itself isn't the interesting part. The interesting part is what one battery can run. One battery moves from drilling and driving to routing an edge, making a quick crosscut, and then breaking down a full sheet with a track saw. That's the real gift. You're not just giving dad another battery. You're giving him one doorway into an entire cordless woodworking workflow. Like every other cordless platform, this only makes sense if dad owns or plans to own Kreg Ionic Drive tools. It won't power any of the other colors already filling his garage. But for those dads out there that believe that every serious woodworking tool needs a cord, watching one battery run a drill, a circular saw, a track saw, and a router may just change his mind. The final gift makes sure everything he does build is actually straight. And for the dads that already own a level, but it kind of looks like this. This next gift is the premium upgrade they wouldn't buy for themselves. The non-magnetic 48-inch REDSTICK uses Milwaukee's reinforced backbone frame and sharp side vial technology, which combines a magnified bubble with high visibility fluid. Milwaukee backs it with a lifetime accuracy guarantee and a limited lifetime warranty. The REDSTICK design also includes a precision milled measuring surface, high density removable end caps, non-slip grips, and an all-metal hanging point. A simple way to check any level is to take a reading, rotating end for end on the exact same surface, and confirm that the bubble repeats. And for dads that already own plenty of clever gadgets, the 48-inch REDSTICK level is the safest premium gift in this lineup. So which one of these glorious tools would you actually get for dad? Let me know down in the comments. And remember, Fanttik is giving away one of these R11 Pros to one lucky dad, and another lucky dad's gonna get the MB10 Nano pressure washer. The winners must be living in the continental United States. And if dad's biggest problem isn't finding more tools, but finding somewhere smart to put them, watch my full Ryobi link video right here before buying into the system. So as always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. God bless.